Pippa. Oh, wow, thank you. Just don't share it. It's okay. Just share it. Hey, guys, what's up? Sorry about that back there. That was kind of weird. Sherry was loving on Pippa. Isn't that right, Sherry? Sherry, isn't that right? She was loving on that one. That little Pippa right there. Pippa Doodle, let's get the photo shot of you. Oh, you're looking pretty, Pippa. Yes, you are. You're looking pretty. Such a pretty girl. Okay. Well, Pippa Doodle.
You guys have a good time. Bye.
Bye.
I miss you the most.
Oh, go
I'm
back
gonna miss
and
you
get
the
it.
most, Pippa.
You gonna look at me, Pippa? In the safari. Just kidding.
Riley, go hug Pippa.
Okay, but I'm not leaving her though.
So, do it.
It didn't matter. Hey, Pippa. Let's go, Pippa. Pippa, come on. Wow, Pippa, you're fast. Goodness. Pippa, what are you... Pippa, what are you doing? Pippa, where'd you go? There you are. What are you doing over there? You gotta go potty in the yard. In the yard. Pippa, get in it. Pippa, get in the yard. Like, seriously, what is wrong with you? You're like the weirdest dog I've ever seen. You have to find the perfect spot. Why Ella does not. Walk through. Pippa, get back over here. Oh, there, yep, there you go. Okay, you're done with that. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and go get a cookie, Pippa. Let's go get a doggy cookie. Yeah. Good girl. Okay, guys, so I have my dog all fed and everything, but, well, remember to put a like and a subscribe down there below. And I'll see you guys later, like literally later, I'm not kidding. Right now, this is not my only video for the day. I'm going to be making others. But right now, smash that like button and that subscribe button down below. Bye!